Hi everyone, and welcome to Banana Code's free programming tutorials where you can learn basic and advanced concepts of every popular programming language and discover their purpose and implementation. Before we start, I want you to know that these tutorials are for beginner programmers with or without coding experience. In this video we will talk briefly about how the following tutorials will be organized and what type of software tools can be used to start programming. So let's get started. Each tutorial will contain these segments. Number 1, short descriptions of the language that we will talk about. Number 2, the syntax, data structures, and algorithms. Number 3, we will solve some exercises ranging from easy to advanced, explaining them step by step. In the following tutorials for programming, you will need to have an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio Code, or you can use the JetBrains applications like WebStorm, PyCharm, IntelliJava, etc. So before you start to program, make sure you have downloaded properly one of these IDEs. If you are not sure how to download, you can check my comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you next time.